After making use of this treatment, you will never have dark spots ever again. No blemishes, no pigmentations. Your skin is just going to be looking so flawless, beautiful, with no makeup. So the first thing you have to do is to get a mixing clay bowl. Then you have to get turmeric powder. Turmeric is wonderful, very potent at fading away dark spots. It contains natural bleaching agent that will help to fade pigmentations, dark spots, brighten a dull skin. Your skin will look flawless, so beautiful. It's a powerful antioxidant that will help to tighten loose skin, preventing wrinkles and fine lines. So we're going to add more of this turmeric because it's a very potent ingredient. One tablespoon of turmeric powder. The next one we have is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is wonderful. It helps to soothe irritated skin, removing pimples, dark spots. It's going to smoothen your skin, make your skin very soft, very beautiful. It's going to give you a clear, beautiful skin, tighten loose skin to prevent wrinkles. If you have sunburn, this is perfect, okay? If you want to keep your skin well hydrated, this remedy will help you greatly. I'm going to squeeze in 1 tablespoon of my aloe vera gel, and this will do perfectly. Next we have here is lemon juice. Lemon juice will help to fade away dark spots. It contains brightening agent as well, just like turmeric. Lemon contains vitamin C that will help to keep your skin looking the best. Like if you have pimples, it will get rid of it, keeping your skin smooth, beautiful, flawless, and brighter. So this is lemon juice. Okay, just add 1 tablespoon of your lemon juice, and this is okay. All right, mix together. Next we have here is rose water. Rose water is so perfect for all skin type, keeping your skin flawless and well hydrated. I will add just a little, about ½ teaspoon of rose water. So you have to go ahead to mix them together. As you can see, it's watery. I will show you how to apply this treatment to work perfectly. Okay, just mix them up together just like this. All right, so I will go right now to show you how to do it perfectly. So this is for those that have dark spots. You want to remove all dark spots. You want to have flawless skin. You want to have spotless skin. You want your skin to be uniform. You want to remove blemishes, pigmentations. Go for this. Like if you make use of this, you will never have dark spots ever again. No pimples, no blemishes. So even if you don't have, it's best to make use of these things. This wonderful treatment once in a while, and you see that your skin will be loving it, you will be loving it, people will be loving it. Mix thoroughly. Apply only at night, and this is because of the lemon juice. Okay, you don't need sun damage or sunburn. Just apply only nightly all over your skin. If you want to brighten up, apply all over your skin. Whenever I want to brighten or lighten, apply it everywhere, both your neck, so that everywhere will be even, uniform. Just look at my skin. Okay, this is not a bleaching treatment, please. This is just a spot corrector. If you have dark spots, like not everywhere, just apply only on the dark spots, just like this. only on the dark areas, okay? But if you want to treat everywhere, just cover everywhere, okay? And you're all good. So after applying this treatment, you have to leave it on for 10 minutes, 15 minutes to dry. If you have sensitive skin, this may not go well. Just try it somewhere else. If it's okay for you, then go for your face. So this is just perfect to make sure you have no dark spots. If you apply this treatment, you will hardly have dark spots. If your cream or lotion is causing dark spots, please discontinue. Do not mind the money you use in purchasing it. Get another. Get the right one for your skin type. So I'm going to leave it on for some time. Go wash it off. I will be right back. So after washing it off, you notice that your skin will get clearer. Yes, you get instant results. If you apply it all over your skin, you will notice that that area will get lighter. With continuous use, everywhere will be looking so beautiful. Even out, no blemishes, no dark spots, like your skin will get flawless. Remember to do only spot treatment. Apply like this. Just touch only the place you have dark spots, okay? If you have, few dark spots, but if you have it all over, just apply it everywhere. I usually apply it everywhere just to make my skin glowing, because this treatment is also glowing. Apply it only at night, as I said, and you will love the result. If you have sensitive skin, please leave this treatment just 3 to 5 minutes only. If you have any other skin type, 5 to 10 minutes is perfect. So continue with this treatment 3 times weekly. If you have dark spots, use it every day for best results. Store the remainder in the fridge to use it maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, make a fresh one. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.